Okay, search in Google, you will find the caterpillar. Okay. Long ago in a jungle deep and vast there lived a caterpillar. All he did was eat and sleep and eat. After feeding on leaves and cabbages, he dozed off and often found himself waking up in a strange unknown place. See here, first this page number 44. Here some jungle picture is given. So many animals and birds are given here. Just you find out. If you are not find out this animal, just you circle that pictures. Okay. See elephant you know. This all the you know now. If bird's name you don't know now, just you circle this. Okay. Once a long time ago, this was a one jungle is there. One caterpillar lived in a jungle. Jungle means what? Forest. Okay. They lived in a jungle. He is just eating and sleeping, eating and sleeping. He is getting bored. So he want to change some place. One day with his belly full, he accidentally crawled into a rabbit's burrow. There he crawled up and fell fast asleep. When the rabbits returned, what did he see? Some strange, unfamiliar marks at the entrance of his home. He was sure that they did not belong to any of his family members or friends. A little uncertain, he raised his voice and called, "Who is in my home?" Then caterpillar. So one day the caterpillar changed his word. Crawl means caterpillar like this. Eat insects. See. He crawl. Eat legs. Okay. Just all. Eat national crawl means ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾಕೆ crawl ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತೆವಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಂದು ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಹಿ ಕೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಸಾ somebody is bent in his home. He saw some ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ see here, this one is a rabbit's home. Okay. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ who is in my home? Then he is telling his I'm not having any friends, I'm not having families also. So who went my home? Then he is called who is in my home. He called. The caterpillar woke up with a start. He looked around and as usual found himself in an unfamiliar place. What was he doing in a rabbit's hole? He had to think quickly and do something to save himself from the rabbit's wrath. Having been in a difficult situation before and having got away many a time, he tried one of his old tricks. He inhaled all the air and could and imitated a deep, furious voice. "Beaver, I am the great green monster that gobbled up the dinosaurs." Then caterpillar, rabbit went to live. Then rabbit said, "Hey, who is in my home? Come outside." Like this he asked. Then caterpillar, what I do? What if rabbit is so much angry? Rat means anger. Rabbit is so much getting angry. So what I do to? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಓಕೆ ಐ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್? ಜೋರು ಸೌಂಡಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂಥರ ಎವಿಲ್ ದೆವ್ವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈನೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಡೈನೋಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ನಾನು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಲು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ದ ರಾಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ petrified. A monster who ate dinosaurs, how could he even face his creature? But he had to save his home. He would need help. He ran out and called upon the jackal. He convinced the jackal to help him get the monster out. When they reached the burrow, the jackal howled, "Who dares enter the home of my friend?" Then rabbit ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ rabbit ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು. Who is in my home? Some monster, ugly monster is there. Okay. Then ಅವರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರು. Jackal is a one type animals. You know jackal? So ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. some master is in my home, save my home, come and help me ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಜಾಕಲ್ ಬಂದು ಜೋರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. By now the caterpillar had begun to enjoy this. He tried the same trick once again. Beaver and the great green monster that gobbled up the dinosaurs. Again ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದ? ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಜಾಕಲ್ಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಡ್ ದ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. The jackal got frightened too. I am afraid, I cannot help you, he said, and he hurried away. Then ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಜಾಕಲ್ rabbit ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಾನು I can't help you more. So the jackal went away. The rabbit ran out again. He met a leopard. Oh, met leopard, he said, you fear no one. Will you come home with me and frighten away the monster who has hijacked my home? Then leopard ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Come friend, somebody hijack ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆರರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಹೈಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋನಿಂದ ಹೈಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಲಿಯೋಪಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ. ಬ್ರಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ದ ಲಿಯೋಪಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಕಂಪನಿಡ್ the rabbit. He roared, I dare you to show yourself. The caterpillar once again inhaled mightily and called in the deepest voice he could, Beaver, I am the great green monster that gobbled up the dinosaurs. Again, leopard also came and said, hey, who is in my friend home? Come outside. I am the leopard. Like this. Again, caterpillar voice ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈಲಾಗು ಅವ್ರು leopardಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. The leopard stepped away and looked at the rabbit's fear visible in his eyes. There is nothing I can do in the face of his master who had destroyed the dinosaurs. He ran with his tail between his legs. Then leopard ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? I can't help. Then rabbit ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, rabbit ಹೆದರ್ಕಿದ್ದು. Then ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? I can't help you. ಅವರು ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದು, ನನಗೂ ಅವ್ರು ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ leopard slowly he ran out. Okay, in the next class I will take you remaining lesson.